What are the costs of a moving floor? Let's make a difference between a stationary moving floor and a moving floor trailer that is used for transport. The difference is on the budget side that we would buy a trailer for less than 50,000 euros, which is a Western European price, and a stationary steel moving floor, perhaps with a metering drum, with a hydraulic unit, with an electrical cabinet with special programmation for the stationary application. This would cost about or less than 100,000 euros. So just to give you an idea on the budget price, it's the simple to the double. Concerning operation costs, I would like to make a second calculation with you. The operation costs depend on the number of cycles that such a moving floor would do. A trailer can be used once per day, once per week, or several times per day to be emptied, and the moving floor will work in that case. So let's work with the idea that such a moving floor makes a transport once per day, and once per day it's emptied at the destination. Stationary application would perhaps work 24/7, and you would have perhaps a throughput of 10 tons per hour. This is much less than a trailer while emptying it, but still in 2 hours time in this calculation, a stationary moving floor would do the work, the daily work of a trailer. So just take into account that perhaps the stationary application will do about 12 times more cycles than a trailer. And therefore, wear and spare parts have to be exchanged more often.